back to my channel. My name is Geetika and today I'm going to show you how to make bottle gourd chutney. But for that we need the ingredients. So now let's see the ingredients that we need for this recipe. Salt according to your taste. 7 to 8 chilies. 1 chopped onion. 2 chopped tomatoes. The tadka ingredients, which are the curry leaves, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. 2 tablespoons of urad dal. 2 tablespoons of split chickpeas. 3 tablespoons of oil, little bit of tamarind and garlic clove, and peels of 1 bottle gourd. First, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the oil onto a pan. Now, I'm going to add the chopped onion. Then, I'm going to add the chilies. Then the tomatoes, followed by the bottle gourd peel. After frying, I'm going to add the salt. Now I'm going to add the tamarind and the garlic. Then I'm going to transfer it into a blender, but don't forget we shouldn't blend it yet. Now take another pan and add the rest of the oil. Now add the tadka ingredients into it. Then the split chickpeas, followed by the urad dal. Now turn off the flame and transfer some of the mixture into the same blender and blend it together. After blending, this is how it looks. Now add it into the rest of the tadka ingredients. Mix well and then the chutney will be ready. The chutney is ready. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. And see you in my next video. Bye.